One time, KFC ran out of chicken, and they responded in a way that shocked everyone. In 2018, KFC in the UK switched to a new delivery company to save money, but within days, their entire supply system collapsed. More than 700 branches had to shut down because they literally had no chicken to serve. People were so angry that the police had to announce that citizens should stop calling emergency numbers just to complain. But instead of hiding the issue, KFC made a genius move. They rearranged the letters in their famous bucket logo from KFC to FCK, and published a full-page apology in newspapers. The public actually appreciated their honesty, because for a giant company, it's rare to see this. They openly admitted, "Yes, we messed up."